What are you doing?
Oh my dad. I'm going motors.
Well, this is half inch, and if it doesn't fit, like bolt the half inch that goes onto my tie rod. If it's too big, I'm gonna cut one piece of the tie rod, and then buy like a rod, and then make my own thing. I'm gonna tap it and then weld it onto the tie rod so I can put this onto it, like bolt it on. So
And
to make it fit.
Got you.
If it doesn't, like, because I don't know what's the size of my tie rod and shit.
Can you explain what a tie rod for people? Like, what does it do on the car?
When you turn your steering wheel, it goes either that way or that way.
So it's for angle.
Okay.
Some people don't know what a tie rod's for. Okay.
Well, anyways.
Okay.
So, because this is pretty big, so I don't know if it's bigger than the one I have. So if it is, whatever, I'll just cut it off and make my own like this and weld it on it. So this, I can bolt it on it.
Alright, explain to people how much that cost if they want to make their own tie rod.
I don't fucking know how much this costs. That was a while ago.
This.
Well, that was like $39, huh?
$39 for that.
When you buy them and shit, they're like $300.
Yeah. So he paid $39 a piece. So if you want to make your own, it's $39 a piece.
So you can get more angle. This shit.
Yeah. Why would I be talking about the kit?
Well, I don't know what you're talking about.
Obviously the tool. Where did we get the kit?
Canadian Tire.
Canadian Tire. So that means it's probably roughly around 100 or something.
I don't know. It changes price. Sometimes they're pretty pricey.
Yeah. If you're wondering why we buy a lot of our stuff from Canadian Tire, it's because, yeah. I don't even want to explain it.
I don't know. We go to Princess Auto.
Yeah. I like buying things at Canadian Tire because you can put on a payment plan. We go everywhere. We go to Automotive Warehouse, Princess Auto. So that's what the kit comes with. This kind of stuff. So. What are you doing?
Again?
Well, why are you... What's those for?
It's to find the right thread.
Okay.
So you just put it on it, and it tells you...
I wasn't asking what you're doing. I'm asking what tool you have in your hand.
Oh,
You need to explain things.
I don't know what it's called.
Oh.
It's like a, I don't know, thread finder, some shit, so you know which bolt to buy or what kind of thread you gotta make to fit that bolt.
So what one of these will you be most likely needing for to make your tie rod in?
Oh, this one right here.
That one? Let's show them. So this is the one he wants to use to make his tie rod in. It's like a flower. What does this kit do?
It's to make bolts or whatever, you know? Or like studs like this. If you want to make something like that, you need this. If you want to, make something,
So is that all we have? Don't we need more of these to make some of these? Oh, never mind.
Well, these are from our like common sizes.
Oh.
If you want like bigger ones, then you can buy like separate and shit.
I feel your pain. Ugh. We're going to his mom's house for dinner. Do they have something written on them?
Yeah. There's a bunch of little numbers.
Show.
Well, it's hard to see, man. I can barely see. You can't see.
Oh, well, there's numbers on them here. I was supposed to do my nails today. See, there's a 12 on that one, if you can see it. No, you can't even see it. Whatever. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought we were doing something. We're not doing something? Am I done? How rude. This is instructions.